Hi students, today let us see how to find the least common multiple or LCM. So far we have seen how to find the greatest common divisor GCD or highest common factor that is HCF by division method, prime factor method and common factor method. Okay, so least common multiple, what is meant by multiple? For example, take a number 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, those are all multiples of 5. Okay, so let us see first method, common division method. How to find the LCM, least common multiple, by common division method. First one solution we will see. What is given here? 16, 20, 24, right? Now common division method means like this. You have to put a line like this. Here we have to take only prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? I told you, prime numbers having one as factor and itself as factor, they are called prime numbers, right? Prime numbers means starting from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. See, these numbers are having no other common factor except 1 and itself. Okay, first I will take 2 here. 2 is a prime number, least prime number and even prime number. 2 8s are 16, 2 10s are 20, 2 12s are 24, right? So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Okay, only prime number I am taking. Again 2 you can take, 2 2s are 4. This will not go, right? 5 will not go. So 5 drop it as it is. 2 3s are 6. See, 2, 3, 5 already they are primes, isn't it? So no other number will go. Therefore, LCM of given numbers is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Multiply all these reminders. Okay, 2 2 2 2 5 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 16 5s are 80, 83s are 240. So what is the least common multiple of given numbers? 240. So 240 is the multiple of 16 and multiple of 20 and multiple of 24. Among all the common multiples, this is the least one starting from 240. Okay, 15 2s, 32, 62s, 122s, 240, right? Therefore LCM of given numbers is what? 240. Okay, that is the method of finding. Simple, no? Let us see one more problem. Second solution we will see. Second one, given 18, 24, 96. Okay, 18, 24, 96. Which number we will see prime number here? 3 will it go, right? 3 6 are 18, 3 8s are 24. Learn the tables perfectly. 3 3s, 3 2s. Now 2 table I will see. 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 16s. Again 2. This will not go. 3 drop it as it is. 2 2s 4, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 will go. 2 1s, 2 4s. So 3 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 and 3 are already primes. 1 is neither prime nor composite, so that is the final simplification. So how do you get LCM? You have to multiply all these numbers. How? 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiply. 3 2s are 6. 2s are 12. 2s are 24. 2s are 48. 48 2s are 96. 96 3s are 3 6 are 18. 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. 288 is the least common multiple for the given numbers. Okay? Correct? Multiply and check it. That's all. Clear? That is the way we do the LCM. Third one we will see. Third one, what is given? 100, 150, little big numbers. 100, 150, 200. So I will take 5 because multiples of 5 all. 5 2s, 5 3s, 5 4s. Again 5 will go, 5 4s, 5 6, 5 8s are. 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s. 2 1s, 2 2s. These are all primes now. So therefore LCM is equal to, how do you find LCM? 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 5 5s are 25, 2s are 50, 2s are 100, 100 6 are 600. 24, 25 24s. 4, 8, 10, 18, 20, 0, 10, 6, 600, right? So what is the LCM? Least common multiple of given numbers is 600. Okay? Look at fourth one. Fourth solution. What are the given numbers? 14, 21, 98. Which number we would like to see? Which prime number we would like to see? Let us see 7. 7 will go. 7 2s are only primes you must use. Remember that. 7 3s 21. 7 1s are 7. 7 4s 28. 2 1s 2 7s. 3 and 7 are already primes. So therefore LCM is equal to 7 into 2 into 3 into 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 21 14s. 14 1s are 14. 14 2s are 28 plus 1 29. So 294 is the final answer. Therefore the LCM of given numbers is 294. Okay? Fifth problem. Fifth one, see. 22, 121, 33. So 22, 121, 33. Now which number you would like to see? 11 is a prime number. 11 2s 22. 11 11s are 121. 11 3s are 33. 2, 3, 11 already prime numbers. So you need not find out. Therefore the LCM is equal to 11 into 2 into 11 into 3. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33. 33 into 22. Multiply. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 6 12. 3 2s are 6. 7 26 is the LCM of given numbers. Let us see sixth solution. What are the given numbers? 34, 85, 51. Which table you like to see here? Seventeen is a prime number. 17 2s 34, 17 5s 85, 17 3s 51, right? So 2, 5, 3 already prime numbers. Therefore, LCM is equal to 17 into 2 into 5 into 3. 2 5s are 10. 10 3 is 30. 17 3 is how much? 51. So 510. So 17 into 30 is 510. So what is the final answer here? 510. So this is the method of finding least common multiple by common division method. Okay? Try to learn it perfectly because it will be useful later. Thank you.